Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool where you can make your presentations in seconds. So it is AI powered tool which is very helpful for you to make your presentation. Those who are being an academician or students or research scholars. So if you want to make presentation instantly, this AI tool will be very useful for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will be useful for our academic presentations. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. An important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing incorporating all the AI tools. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that PPT AI. So create professional presentations in minutes. So you can just give start for free. So and you can continue with your mail ID. So here is the step-by-step process which will guide you through to design your PPT. Start writing, input subject, editorial outline, select template and make PPT. So here you can enter the topic. For example, I am going to enter renewable energy usage in power sector. So like that I am going to enter an input here. So after that, so if you want to add your own content, that is import external data, so you can give that also. So it will lead to that, that is you can import that pictures, you can attach the files, so thereby it will consider that particular files also and make the PPT. So after that, so you can go to the click on that immediate generation. So here you can see that automatically the outline for this will be generated. So here introduction to renewable energy, definition and types, what is renewable energy, types of renewable energy, importance of modern society, current trends, benefits of renewable energy, and then economic advantages, energy security. So like that, so a detailed outline will be generated. If you want to edit this outline, if you want to categorize this outline, so you can do that here itself. So or you can make a conversation with this particular outline, so you can do that also. So this process, that is this step is to edit the outline. So next one is you can choose the template. So whatever the template you want, you can choose. There are different templates are available in this particular AI tool. So here you can see that, so these are the different templates available. So whatever the template you want, depending upon the need, depending upon the presentation, so you can select the template and then just click on start writing. So it will take time. So for free you can generate easily up to outline. So after that you have to go for subscription option. So let us see what it will generate and how it will generate content for us. Yes, here you can see that our slides are generated, that is 21 slides has been generated. So here you can just click on the option, go to edit. So this all the slides are generated based upon the template we have selected. So here selected a random template, so based upon this it is generated the content. So as we have asked this topic, that is renewable energy usage in power sector, so depending upon the topic it is generated that content. So next one is a table of contents. So overview of renewable energy, global trends in renewable energy, technological innovations, policy and regulatory framework, challenges in renewable energy, future directions and recommendation. So the first one will be overview. So in this overview it is explained what is renewable energy, what are the benefits of renewable energy. Actually it is in editable format, so it is the representation is like that. So you can edit and you can do whatever you want depending upon your need. So if you want to add even more slides, so you can add that also. So this is how it is generated. This is a representation of this PPT AI, how it is generating PPT. So here types of renewable energy, here you can see that 4 important renewable energy is displayed: solar, wind, hydropower, biomass and geothermal. So next one is global trends in renewable energy. So in this you can see current statistics, share of renewable energy in power generation. So actually we have mainly asked for this one, so how the share will be. So next one is growth projections, future energy demand, role of renewable energy in future energy mix. So and then technological innovations, in that you can see advancement in energy storage, and then smart grid technologies, overview of smart grids, benefits of renewable energy integration, policy and regulatory frameworks, government incentives and subsidies, international agreements, challenges renewable energy adoption, economic barriers, cost competitiveness, investment risks, technical challenges, infrastructure limitations. Next, last one is future directions and recommendation. In this you can see research and development, public private partnerships, strategies for increased utilization, so community engagement, education and awareness. So this is how you can generate this PPT using this PPT AI instantly. So this one will be a editable one, so whatever you want, so you can change, or you can, if you want to edit the layout, so you can do that also. If you want to change the template, all the styles will be presented here. So if you want to change, you can change according to your need. So this is how you can use this PPT AI in order to generate a better content for your research paper, that is academic presentation and research paper presentation. So whatever you want. So as you are belong to any academics, if you are a teacher or a student, those who want to make presentation instantly, so you can use this option to generate a better presentation for you. So with the help of AI, hope this video will bring an aware about this PPT AI. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, go on and explore this PPT AI in order to get a instant PPT for your academic presentation. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.